how to delete Bybit sub account step by step. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your sub account in Bybit. So for that you have to log into your Bybit account, and after that you have to click uh, click on the settings of the respective sub account from your main account, and after that login and API management using this sub account will no longer be supported once you freeze or delete it. So as here you can see on the section sub accounts, there are multiple accounts or can be a single sub account. So you just have to click on the delete sub account if you want to delete the account, and you have to click on freeze sub account if you want to freeze the sub account. So please keep in mind that once a sub account is deleted, it cannot be restored, but a frozen sub account can be reactivated at any time. Additionally, usernames for deleted or frozen accounts cannot be reused for new sub account. So that's how you delete a sub account on Bybit. So there can be multiple reasons to delete a sub account. Like Bybit sub account is a free smaller account under the wing of a master account. So you can make a decision to delete sub account when you don't need a sub account like the smaller account under the main account. And there are three types of sub accounts on Bybit: standard sub account, custodial trading sub account, and Islamic sub account. So you can also delete other sub accounts if you want to just use one. Like if you want to use the Islamic sub account, you don't need the standard sub account or custodial trading sub account. Or if you have the custodial sub account, you might not need the standard sub account or Islamic sub account. You can delete that on that purpose. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.